campaign ban for endless. What's your biggest takeaway, especially sobrang young ng core nila ako?
For me, I have a personal goal kasi na maka-semifinals kami for the season. So I guess there's no chances pa for us para maka-semifinals. And yes, happy with the improvements, but kind of disappointed na syempre sa gusto ko rin talaga maka-semifinals and have ourselves a chance na maka-compete ulit. But I guess it's not time yet. But may God's grace, alam ko naman na mag-improve kami.
You mentioned na meron pa kayong dalawang chance to reach na yung finals. How high is the confidence level after seeing yung composition ng roster?
I mean, the coaches, yung system naman is always consistent. So, we just have to, siguro, like yung San Miguel, Rainer Shine, PNP, Ginebra, yung mga core nila matagal na magkakasama. So, maybe we need more time lang to develop or yung chemistry namin. Kasi syempre, yung like yung San Miguel, nakita ko sila, June Marquez, Ross Marcio, saan may babato yung bola, alam na nila eh. So, I think that's a big factor yung chemistry sa pamilya.
Yung siyempre, wala si Berto nung ulo ng SEA Games. So, obviously, naka-apekto sa inyo yun. Pero paano nyo din yun?
Yeah, and also we have, siguro, 6-5 kami natapos, diba? So, if may mga winnable games kami na pinagsisihan namin yung dulo na but of course, the Lord is in control na if nanalo kami ng isa, we could have been twice to beat sana. Number 4 yata kami kung mag-7-4 kami. And yung nare-remind sa amin ng coaches that there are games dapat na we take care of business dapat. And of course, we did. So, we put ourselves in a position na twice to beat disadvantage against the best team or most talented team in the Philippines. But of course, I'm happy kahit pa paano nakakompete kami kasi they have Junmar, they have CJ, they have Marshall, they have Jericho. Pretty loaded team. So,